All right, welcome to step 2. Hopefully you will have created your Earn Easy Commissions account and gotten your referral link because you are going to need it for this step. You're going to use that referral link in step 2. All right? In this step, I'm actually going to give you access to the done for you passive income system that does all of the selling for you. And we're going to show you guys how you can generate even more crazy commissions. So the system that we're going to give you is actually the website that you're viewing at the moment. All right, I'm going to give you a full editable version of this entire website. So this page right here, this second page right here with the Earn Easy Commissions button, with all of the sales videos and everything on it. And all you're going to need to do is replace the affiliate links behind these buttons. This website was created, it's actually called a sales funnel. It was created in a website builder called Builderall. And you can see the button below right here to create your free Builderall account. And that's going to allow you to be able to access this funnel so you can edit it for yourself. The great thing about Builderall is that it also has an incredible affiliate program. All you need to do is click on the button below, create your free Builderall Business account. It will ask you to connect to PayPal, but the payment won't come out for 30 days. And then once you've created your account, I'm going to show you how you can access this funnel so you can edit your links too. The amazing thing about Builderall is that it actually has a 2-tier affiliate program. So when you actually change your affiliate links right here, when someone joins the system just like you and creates a Builderall account just like you, when they keep their account, because they're also going to be in profit, you're going to be earning commission from that as well. So it's got 100% commission and direct referrals. So every single time that you get somebody to sign up, you get $49 from that first month. And then you get 30% from that fee every single following month. And if they get anybody to sign up underneath them, you also earn $14 recurring commission from them as well. That's why we've decided to use Builderall for their insane affiliate program. So all you need to do is sign up for your Builderall business account using the button below. It's 100% risk-free. You won't have to pay a single penny until the 30 days are up. And after that, then it's $49 a month. But don't worry about that because we're ridiculously confident that you are going to make profit using this system before you have to pay any money to Builderall whatsoever at all. So you're going to make a lot more money than the price of Builderall in the first 30 days. But for whatever reason, if you guys don't make any money, you can cancel your account and you won't have to spend a single penny. So now I'm going to show you how to build and sell the Builderall account. Before you guys set up your Builderall business account, I just want to show you some live commissions that we're making from doing this, from using the Builderall. We're going to refresh the page, and then you can see here's today's date. This is the May 26th. Every single day, we're getting people to sign up and make commissions. Tier 1 is people sign up directly under me. Tier 2 is somebody that is under them, but that means that I'm still making commissions off them as well. And as you can see, commissions are coming in every single day. 24th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people signed up. And so this system really does work. And look, you can just see as the commissions just keep coming on in just from this simple passive income system that we're giving you. That's what you guys can earn too. If you sign up for the Builderall account, just click on this big button below, create your free Builderall business account. You'll see that PayPal is required to sign up for the free 30 account. It's 100% risk-free, does not require any payment up front. You can cancel it at any time. But even though you're going to have to enter those PayPal details, it won't take any money out for 30 days, all right? To a page like this, and on this page, it's going to say you've been sponsored by, and it'll either say my name right here, Matty Miles, or it might say somebody else because they are giving it to people too. And that is how I am making recurring passive income every single month. So don't worry about this right here. If it says somebody else's name, it's not important. As long as you're here on this video tutorial, you will be getting the entire passive income system along with your Builderall Business account for free. You just need to fill in your details here. Click next. That'll take you through to this page where you can sign up using your PayPal account. Even though it says $49, right? Don't worry, it's completely free for the first 30 days. So the idea here is if you use this system, you'll be making a lot more money than $49 before the 30 days is up. You'll be making way more money, so you won't even have to pay any money up front, right? You'll be making more than the $49.99 before you ever have to pay it. Okay, once you've created your account and you're logged in, come back to this page. It'll take you through and you go to copy this system. When you do, it's going to edit up an editable version of this website. And the first thing that you need to do before you do anything is save it. Click the save button at the top right. You can name it whatever you want. And then you go to office.builderall.com, which is going to take you to your Builderall dashboard where it has all these tools. You don't really need to worry about that for now because we're just going to focus on this easy system. So click on Builders, click on the drag and drop Pixel Perfect Builder, and then click on My Sites. You should only see one website right here, whatever you named it. You shouldn't have any other ones with your new account. So go over here to More Options, and you need to select Publish. Once you've done that, hit the Edit button. That'll take you into the Edit, Drag and Drop Funnel Builder. So you can go through and customize this entire system as much as you'd like. I would recommend it. Just keep it the same and just change out the affiliate links. First thing you do, go to step 1. This is the Earn Easy Commissions welcome page that you've already been through. All you need to do is go to this button right here, create your free Earn Easy. Right click on this and click on Action. You're going to go up here and delete the web address because that leads to my affiliate link. And you need to paste in your affiliate link from your Earn Easy Commissions site, which you guys got in step 1. Go back and copy that, paste it right in there, hit OK, click Save. And now what that does is that when someone views this, when you send this site to someone, when they click the free Earn Easy Commissions account button, that is when you will earn that dollar. So that's all you need to do for step 1. So now we're going to go up here to step 2. And step 2 is where you're going to attach your Builderall affiliate account. You can see this little green box over here. You need to copy this link right from over here. And that is the link to the free 30-day Builderall trial. And you need to attach your affiliate link to that. So copy that link. Come on back over to Builderall. If we're going too fast, you guys can always re-watch this video, right? So on the left-hand side, go to Builderall Business and then go to Resources underneath that. Come on over to the Resources redirect link right here. This is going to allow you to add your affiliate cookie in here. So paste that link that we just copied in there and click Send. And it's going to give you this long link this is your affiliate link. Don't worry about the short one, just copy the long one, close that out, come on back over to the editor. You can delete this little green button by right-clicking, hit the trash icon. You're going to right-click on the Create Free Account Builderall Business button, go to Action, delete my affiliate link, replace it with your affiliate link, and then save it again. If we're going too fast, you can always go back and pause and redo this. So now, every single time that somebody goes to your website and they come on down and click the Create Free Builderall Business Account, just like you just did, you're going to earn the commissions now because it will be connected to your Builderall Business account instead of mine. And then every single month that they decide to keep that Builderall Business account, you will be earning that recurring commission. The first time you earn the straight $49.99 off of them, and then every following month it's 30% commission. So and then on top of that, anybody below them that also sells accounts, you also earn 30% commission from those people as well. So this is where this passive income system really starts generating money. If you want to go back into Builderall and see anybody that is signed up underneath you, you can go back to Builderall and click on leads over here. You can click on your earnings over here. They pay out weekly. You guys can withdraw your money straight to PayPal every single week. So that's all you guys needed to do was change the affiliate link behind the Create Your Free Builderall Business account right there. And then we're going to move on to step 3. And I am going to show you guys how to actually get people coming to your funnel, doing the same thing that you're doing right now so that you can start making commissions. And in step 3, I'm going to show you guys how to make even more commissions. So click on, once you have all of that done, click on the step 3 button right below and we'll get rocking and rolling. So as a real quick recap, step 2, we're going to teach you how to get your free Builderall Business account. Once you create your free Builderall Business account and connect your PayPal to it, remember, you won't have to pay anything for the first 30 days. You connect your PayPal to your free Builderall. Download the free passive, the editable free passive income system. You go back and open that up, and then we're going to change the affiliate links out behind those buttons. And as a extra really quick cool little bonus for you guys, I'm going to show you the Builderall Business calculator so you can really get a better grasp of just exactly how much money you guys can start making doing this. All right. Okay, so we are over here on our Builderall Business homepage, and to give you guys a better real quick better grasp of just how much money you can make with this passive income system and with your Builderall Business account. I'm going to show you guys this cool little tool that they have in here called the Builderall Business Calculator. That's right down here on the left-hand side. And so what this does is it calculates the amount of money that you will make as you get more and more commissions. So when you start using the passive income system, let's be really modest and say that over the next year, you only get 2 people per month to sign up to start using the Builderall Business software so that they can make money too. So 2 people per month is 24 people in a year. And we'll say that 90% of those people stick with it because they really like this passive income system. They really love the fact that they can make money on the internet. So 90% of those people stick with it and keep their Builderall Business account. And now each one of those 24 people also gets only 2 people per month to sign up, right? And then we're going to be even more modest and say that they, even though they have the exact same tools as that you guys have, they have this passive income system, they have all the tutorial videos and everything that I'm giving you. Let's say that they're not quite as great salesmen, right? And they only have 50% of the people that they sign up keep their account. What that means is that in the first year, your immediate earnings will have been $1,149.60, which really isn't that much off the top of your head, but That's just a one-time payment. Every single month on a recurring basis, you will be making $6,545.34 every single month. All you have to do is use this entire passive income system that we have built for you, that we're giving to you for free. You show other people how to do this too. You get them to sign up beneath you. Hopefully, they'll show other people how to do it as well. And if you can convince 2 people per month to do this, and they can convince 1 or 2 people per month, which is cake, right? You should be able to, you saw the video just a little bit earlier, we were getting 4, 5, 6, 7 people per day to sign up. So 2 people per month is nothing. So that means that these numbers right here are estimations on the very low end of how much money you can really make doing this. I hope you guys like this little example here. The business calculator is kind of fun. And imagine, let's say here, let's kill that, and let's say you got 100 people to sign up here this month, right? 100 people, 90% of them stay on. Each of those 100 people, let's say they only get, 10 people per month to sign on, and 0 of them stick with it. You're making $9,000, $9,500 a month. This is the power of affiliate marketing and earning commissions off of selling stuff online. That is it for step number 2. Make sure that you get your Builderall Business account. Make sure that you get your affiliate link, and go back into your editable version of the passive income system. Put those affiliate links in where you need to do so. Save your page, and then I will see you in step number 3.